down, got my phone in the pool. Check out of my room, hit the ATM. Let's hang out, get me down to get down tonight. Woo! Cause it's always a good time. Good morning and good night. I wake up at twilight. It's gonna be alright. We don't even have to try. It's always a good time. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 it's always a good time. Oh, 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 oh. We don't even have to try. It's always a good time. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, oh, it's always a good time. Oh, 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 oh. We don't even have to try. It's always a good time. Good time. Yeah.
Yan!
Alright! Okay! Sino may birthday? Sino may birthday?
Sa dalawa mo.
Kaya si Roy.
Opo.
Nako, ito.
Okay. O isa-isa. Quiet mo na. Isa-isa, ha? Sino mauna? Yan muna dyan sa tabi mo dyan.
Okay, Germs.
Ito muna.
Sige po.
Ikaw muna.
Ayan ko, Germs. Gusto ko lang po mag-thank you sa mga... Kay unang-una po, syempre, kay God. Sa inyo po, kayo, Germs, thank you po. Kay Tito John Knight, thank you po. Sa mga upgraders po na nandyan,
Yan,
thank
dami.
you.
Yan, thank you sa inyo.
Yan. At saka po, kay Tito John Fontanilla, manager po.
Yes!
Thank you po.
Thank you po. At syempre, Kuya Jerms, pinapasalamatan po namin yung mga sponsors namin. Ang Mario Deboro, kay Ma'am Christina at Sir Del. Mogo-mogo kay Ate Michi. Barangay LSFN Mama Bell, of course. Altitude 7 Recording Studio. Located at West Mansion Condominium. At kay Sir Jojo Manto of Roy Queen.
Yan, syempre po sa SM Super Malls, Boys School of Music, kay Coach Zen, Coach Ryan, and Coach Ed. At, ayun po, thank you po.